welcome to Car Updated, your trusted channel for everything automotive. Today we bring you a full review of a true off-road warrior that blends the ruggedness of a pickup with the spirit of a Jeep, the Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle stands out for its raw power, unmatched versatility, and adventure-ready personality that makes it one of the most capable pickups in its class. Starting with the front design, the Jeep Gladiator carries that unmistakable Jeep DNA. The signature 7-slot grille, round LED headlights, and a tough reinforced bumper. The raised hood and muscular lines give it a bold and confident look, while the high ground clearance shows it's built for all terrains. The large all-terrain tires and front tow hooks add to its aggressive, off-road stance, making it ready for both adventure trails and city streets. Moving to the side profile, the Gladiator looks both functional and fierce. It's longer than the Jeep Wrangler, giving it a larger cargo bed that's perfect for work gear or weekend fun. The removable doors and roof provide that open-air Jeep experience that no other truck can match. With a strong frame, off-road suspension, and striking proportions, the Gladiator delivers presence and practicality in equal measure. Whether you're driving through urban areas or climbing rocky paths, this truck feels right at home. The rear section continues the blend of utility and style. The tailgate is easy to operate and can handle heavy loads, while the LED taillights and bold Jeep badging give it a distinctive finish. The cargo bed can be customized with multiple accessories, from bed covers to cargo management systems, making it as flexible as your lifestyle demands. Step inside, and the interior of the Jeep Gladiator impresses with its balance of toughness and comfort. The cabin takes inspiration from the Wrangler, offering durable materials designed to withstand outdoor conditions while maintaining a modern premium feel. The seats are supportive and spacious, providing excellent visibility from all angles. The center console features a large touchscreen with Jeep's Uconnect system, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The physical knobs and buttons are designed for easy use, even with gloves on, and the washable floor mats remind you this truck is built for real adventures. Under the hood, the Jeep Gladiator packs a powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers around 285 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers solid towing capacity and impressive off-road performance. The available 4x4 systems, locking differentials, and off-road suspension make it a beast on rough terrains. In conclusion, the Jeep Gladiator is not just a pickup, it's a lifestyle machine. It delivers the freedom of a Jeep with the utility of a truck, perfect for explorers, workers, and thrill seekers alike.